Hi guys, VST here and Speaks Tech. Thank you for joining my channel. Today I'm gonna present to you the WFP209 Watch Face for the Galaxy Active 2 by Alexandr Kovalev. And this one, I can tell you, and I promise you, this one will really rock you guys. So stay tuned, watch the full video. You're gonna be able to find in the video description coupons, so you can download it and actually install it for free. And I'm gonna do a review of all the extras, but take again a close look at that beauty. Okay, here we are guys. Now again, just take a close look. This is really a very nice, very like metal look, and it has these very nice flavors here, like if you're looking at an old Geiger counter, right? It's called WFP209. It has the main features, right? So when you start the watch face guys and you click here, you immediately are going to be able to navigate to setting up your alarm. If you click here on the minutes, you're able to put, let's say, 1 minute countdown. And let me show you guys something. Even the icons here are animated. I mean, just take a look how crazy this is. Huh? You see, time is slipping away, right? And here you have this icon here, so you can pause and cancel that one, okay? Now then, here, if you press on that one here, you'll be able to measure your heart rate. Going one step back, guys, here, 70, this is indeed all your daily activity, right? One step back, guys, here we have the battery, so when you click here, you see the remaining battery. Of course, it's also displayed here. But now just look at this beauty. When you double tap here, boom, you have the arrow for the minutes. And when you double tap here, boom, you have the arrow for the hours. And this is really amazing. I mean, this is really so amazing. I barely found out about this WFP209 like 10 minutes ago, and I immediately decided to do a video 10:04, right? So it's past bedtime for a lot of people, but here I am doing this video for you guys. If you like this watch face, please make sure that you go and you leave a very nice review for Alexandr Kovalev, the man who created this one. Again, in the video description also are free coupons provided by the author. And yeah, cheers. I hope that you enjoy watching my videos, and with that said, have a nice rest of your evening or day. VST over and bye. Oh.